is one of the first ever
There's no restroom here, and I need to pee. Are you
kinda cool, and yeah,
but there's no
so there's the
restroom?
new flat screen TV
Don't worry.
from the percent.
The money
So
we've got.
yeah,
The
we have Ethan here and
the
commercial
bottle.
with the keyboard. Actually, really useful. What?
Interrupt programming. This is an international emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government.
What?
This is not a test. A nuclear attack is occurring against the entire planet. 4 nuclear missiles have been launched from Germany and are expected to strike the entire world within the next 15 minutes. All residents across the entire planet should out and prepare to take shelter immediately. Stand by for a message from the President of the United States.
Hello?
The key won't go out of the bottle. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have over 100 people.
What the hell? What? 15 minutes. I told you.